In this slide, I would like to give an introduction about the reusable code practices. This content is picked up from the blog site only. Let us go through one by one. Agile practices and the importance of reusable code libraries for cycle time reduction. The agenda of this particular presentation is the same. If you are interested to know what is reusable code examples, this can be useful. Obviously, we have been discussing on this part only, and you are going to understand all these areas. Using this technique, you can plan for code refactoring and its cleaning also to get ROI on future agile iterations. Let us say we have seen some of the architectures, and repeatable tasks will be there in every code module, and using those we can identify some of the repeatable tasks. Those can be considered for the reusable modules, where they can be called in several areas several times by the users, for the backend people, front-end people, such kind of roles. And during Scrum meetings, these are the important topics where the technical people need to discuss for customers' ROI acceleration planning. They should be one of the points in daily Scrum meetings or weekly Scrum meetings, and they need to identify like a data mining kind of thing. They need to mine for the reusable components where they can be made as component integration part for other applications availability also, with reference to the reusable component definitions. The team's technical capabilities also can be accelerated by following these practices. In the beginning, I have discussed it already. Hence, for the same thing I am explaining here. If you feel this is helpful for your practices, please send your feedback also from this site. And how to build reusable code during agile iterations and their usage planning. So we have been watching some of the slides, and we will be continuing on that. The reusable code practices became very popular to save the delivery time cycle time also for faster business requirements meeting. So as we have been discussed, so many times reusable code can be used and it can save for multiple sprint cycle time also. I would like to elaborate on these practices with a high level example using Agile practices with reference to my past experiences. And what is a reusable code? Let us have an introduction. The software code is written for repeatable functions in a group of business operations or features. We have seen shopping carts and shopping mall. If you go, you can access their products from the internet also, and you can visit as a customer also physically. You can be there, you can see the items and book the items from then and there itself. You can buy them and bring them to your home. The repeatable code can be recalled several times in any operation. Let us say if you are rebooking the items number of times, your customer details can be there, customer code will be there. Through that customer code you can log in it, and once you log in it, your details will be there, your credit card information will be there with privacy, and that can be used by the retail shopper for putting your money in credit card as a charge. So such kind of things we can identify here in the Agile practices for reusable code.